Hey guys, welcome back to another video by Fully Informed Trade, or FI Trade for short, knowledge for everyone. My name is Alex Cho, and right now I'm going to be talking about Chipotle Mexican Grill. And mainly the idea here is that Chipotle Mexican Grill did miss their expectations, they did miss earnings, and I think that people were trying to they were expecting too much from this company. Even though they are a very good company, they do perform, they do a very good job of growing their earnings. It's just that there's a lot of fears. The biggest fear right now is like the rising cost of corn. Now, with rising costs in corn, the issue comes in where if the price of corn goes up, guys, a lot of things are fed with corn, mainly beef, pork, stuff like that. And maybe you'll feed your cows with organic corn, knowing Chipotle Mexican Grill, but it doesn't change the fact that the recent drought season is having a negative and harsh effect on Chipotle Mexican Grill's ability to keep costs within control. And you know, we do know that Chipotle Mexican Grill does have great profit margins, but some of those margins will be hurt a little bit. Maybe not enough to send the stock falling 20% or something like that, but it's enough to make analysts revise their earnings estimates, their price forecasts, and of course their price targets for the stock as well. So all things considered, I think that Chipotle Mexican Grill is an interesting buy opportunity once it gets down to $300 per share. And another thing I do want to talk about, though, is not just the $300 area, but the fact is that when you talk about buying into high growth stocks, we all know that these stocks are very risky. We know that if there's just a slight alteration in momentum and stuff like that, it is highly likely that that slight alteration in momentum will cause the value of the stock to either rapidly go up or rapidly fall. In this case, the value of the stock rapidly fell, and it's no surprise that that actually happened. So if anything, when you buy into growth stocks, just know that you're supposed to cost average. You do need to stomach some volatility here and there, but overall this is a great company, and I think that over the long term it's still a good investment. So take care, folks. I like 300. I think it would be an interesting area to buy for a short-term pop. I'm not sure how much more people are willing to sell the stock, but the volume is at extreme, just at complete extremes, like 10 times that of normal volume, maybe 20 times normal volume. And every time I've seen a volume spike, I've always seen I generally see stocks move the opposite direction. So I think tomorrow or even later on today, it might be a good idea to pick up some shares and hope for people to start snapping back some of whatever it is that they sold going into Monday. So take care, folks. I hope you guys make money every single day of the year, and I'll see you guys around.